I wish Spaceman wasn't sick. I think hot sauce is over here, I'm pretty sure. Oh, shoot! Oh. It's what they always do.
Watch out, kid! Oh,
Hey,
pumpkin.
let me do this.
Kid, it's this easy. Kid, it's this easy. Watch this. Yeah. Kid, it's this easy. Oh, hey, kid, it's this easy.
Sorry. Well, first of all, who are you?
Well, I'm Glitch. I'm part of Animal Company. Yeah.
Nice.
He's part of Animal Company.
Well, I'm Mustard.
Yeah.
Yo, do you mind if you give me my crowbar back?
Yo, you want to feel it? You want to see what it feels like to fly?
No. No, I've already flown before. Huh? So what would we do right now? What do y'all want to do?
Ugh, I can't ever get this thing to work. I just got this thing and everything's been going wrong. We're gonna go on an adventure today.
Hey,
Yeah, how about
now?
Sewers. Ugh. Is it today the last day of the monster outbreak?
Yeah, I know.
Warning! Never ever shine your flashlight in there.
Wait! I'll try to see if it works on me. Ugh. Glitch, come back. You're not supposed to go down.
Yo, away from me, guys.
Ugh. Glitch went down.
Don't worry, Glitch, we're coming. Ow. Goodbye.
Ugh.
That's good, kid. Watch out.
Don't shine your flash.
I didn't bring a flashlight, kid.
Uh-oh. Bye. No. Hey, come on.
Darn it.
Y'all here?
Yes.
Yes, we're here.
Copy? Yes, I could hear you. Y'all die?
No. Shoot, wrong one.
Go near Angler and you should see a turn. Go through that turn and you'll be in the place you see me. You will see me. There's a green plant and stuff down here.
Oh.
So yeah.
Yo. Follow me. I know.
Oh my god, this kid is stupid.
Hey, you good?
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna take a while.
So apparently,
Come on. It's clear, kid. It's clear.
Don't call me kid.
yeah,
Alright, whatever. Be careful.
apparently
It's right there.
you can't die. It just respawns you, so that's weird.
Come on.
You know. Yo, Mustard, where are you?
Right here. Well,
Yeah, he's right next to me.
I'm right next to Glitch.
Okay, come on, hurry up. I don't have all day.
I passed the anglerfish.
Yeah, we passed the anglerfish. And Ghost Girl. We're not in Ghost Girl Mansion. Here, she's here. I heard her.
Just quickly, come on. Just come on. It doesn't matter. We just don't have to look at her.
Run past the anglerfish really fast. And you'll see a giant green-looking plant.
He's been here
can't-
before. He's been here before.
Yeah. Yo, where are you all at? Are you coming?
We're past the anglerfish. What about you?
I'm past red light, green light.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm right here.
Alright. We need to wait for Glitch. He's still coming.
Glitch, where are you? Where are you, Glitch? Glitch? Come on, Glitch.
Watch out.
Who's him? Me? Oh, yeah, I know.
Come on. Yo, you can break that. You can break the crate. No, use your thing to grab that.
Come on, guys.
Use your
Come on.
gun to grab. Use your gun to grab. Go!
Come on, Glitch. Hurry up.
He got hit. He got hit.
Be careful.
You gotta be a parkour master.
We're all over here, Glitch. You don't have to use that.
I think we go up here.
Come on.
Glitch?
Come on, Glitch.
I think he died.
He's right here.
No? Oh, okay. Hey, don't use that. We're not done with this parkour yet.
Parkour.
I'm surprised. I've never been here before. Whoa.
I
What is
have.
this place? Is this like where realms mix up or something?
Basically,
'Cause
I've been
how
here
is this
before.
How have you been here before?
I have.
Fall down.
Oh no. Careful, it's the chicken!
I know where to go.
Go! Go, go, go!
Guys, over here. Did y'all die?
Up to you now.
Okay. Well, I made it, just so you know. It's just me. Oh my god, what is this? I'm still alive. I'm at the zero gravity. Oh, shoot.
We got ambushed. We got ambushed.
They got ambushed, so it's just me, I guess. Ow.
Kid, where are you at right now? I'm speed running.
I'm lost. I'm lost. Ow.
Bring back. I'm really.
Ugh. Hurts. Ugh. Ow! Nothing here is safe. No wonder he said not to go here. This is scary. I'm actually scared. I found my way back. But I'm trying to escape. I'm low on health. I'm low on health. He's right there.
Where the heck are you at?
I'm coming back to the to the start of zero gravity.
How? How did you get over there?
You're supposed to go straight.
The chicken guy. I need you to distract him.
I can't. I already went down the tunnel.
Okay, you keep going.
I'm lost though. I'm lost.
I respawned again. It's too hard. I can't pass.
It's okay. I'll go by myself. It's like there's no escape.
I'm coming back. I have a cross. I don't have the cross. Sorry, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to Glenn. But I'm coming back. Did you die?
No.
Okay, I'm coming back. Stay.
Oh, it
I got a
hurts.
speed run. Yo, where are you?
Alright, come on.
I wish I had never died over there. I got lost and
Alright,
I
come on.
touched the thing on the eye.
Come on.
I'm still over here, guys.
Yo, where are you at?
I'm right here.
Alright, come on.
What about glitch?
Have you ever been here before, kid? There's
Yes.
a lot of money. Do you guys have a backpack? You have a backpack? Put some money in here. Put some of your money.
But
Watch out!
he's big
Here comes the
Trungus.
money!
Nothing's getting in it.
Yes.
Yo, move. Yeah, he jumped out. Turn on your light. Come on.
I've
This
never
way.
been here.
Remember,
I've
there's
never
multiple mimics in here.
I've never been here though.
This way. Not this way. Where is this leading to? This way. Where's this way?
Nothing.
Nowhere.
Well, I do know another way.
Over here.
Alright, next mimic battle.
Wait, yes.
Guys, over here.
Go! Over here!
Probably.
Nobody stole my stuff. Just 2 diamonds.
Okay, guys. We're heading to a place. We're heading to another place. We're speedrunning missions. Come on, let's go.
Yo,
We
this.
need to get better.
Yo, you need
Yo,
this because
Come on,
this
let's go.
auto unpins it.
We're gonna find a random place to go hunting.
I know a place to go hunting.
Let's go kill some monsters, guys.
Chicken.
Nah, let's go kill. a
Good
different
thing that
monster.
today's the last day of the.
Bulk
Oh,
man.
here. I haven't been here in a couple of years.
Wait, but this game has.
Watch out for a big guy. Get him!
Yeah.
Big pumpkin.
This backdrop.
What?
What?
Okay. This is
Put
rare.
the toilet paper in here. Put the toilet paper. Never mind.
Be careful.
Bro, that's my
The girl's
crowbar.
in here.
That's my crowbar.
Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go. This way. This way. Wait. The heck? I don't remember this being here.
believe I can fly.
Okay, so they added this here. They took it away, and they added it here. Okay, how unfortunate.
Don't look
They
at it,
added
don't
this
look at
place
it.
here. Do you guys know what this place is? This is from the sewer. This is from the This is from anglerfish. Old anglerfish, I should say. Now they added it here. How unfortunate.
So why is there so many? Well, ending.
Ending. What? Guys, there must be another way. be another way. This way. Yo, where are you? Come on. This way. This must be another way. Turn on your flashlight.
Or we could go.
What's this way? It's so hard to see. Ah.
Bro left his little.
Guys, I found an area. Over here. Guys, over here. Yeah. Over here, guys. Look over here.
I think we found what we're looking for.
Yep, guys. We found what we're looking for. Over here.
I can't make it up.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
I made it.
Nice. Stay there.
Good thing I found this plunger.
Go!
There's a chicken.
Go!
A chicken.
Where is it? What is going on? I don't remember this place being like this.
Died.
Go! Egg! Quickly!
Come on.
You stay out. Get it.
No. Gosh.
I'm back.
Come over here.
Yeah.
Everyone. I have the egg. I have the egg. Nobody
Put it
take.
in then.
Can I have my shooter thingy? Can I
Don't
have
take
my-
that crowbar. Don't take that crowbar. It's mine.
Can I have my shooter?
I didn't think it was I found that. So you wanna know what happened when I was gone? I got a so I had these pumpkin, right? I opened it and then there was another pumpkin, and then I opened it and I got a a little thing. I don't know what to call it. You guys, have you ever heard of the landmines? Or the dark market, whatever you call it?
We got 325.
You know
Wait,
what is
guys,
the dark
guys.
market?
No.
Let's go to like the dark market.
But wait, before we do that, we need to find a secret hideout.
Oh, I already did.
Where?
Guys,
Second secret
Where's
hideout. The dark web. Yeah, we're
dark
going to
web.
the dark web. Do you not know what that is?
It says danger, do not enter though. I don't think this is
exactly.
safe.
That's why we come here. Oh yeah, we killed this red light, green light guy. We killed him.
Watch out.
Let's go. Follow me. Welcome to the hideout.
Wait, so this is our secret spot?
Vent is shape.
This is our
We're gonna
secret
make our
spot?
plans. And then we killed another red light, green light in here.
So this is, so,
And we started using his materials to make new stuff.
oh.
Like this.
And this?
We found this springy thing, made us balance.
And Mary Poppin, which makes you fly.
And you found this sticky thing, which is a plunger basically.
It is a plunger.
So we got all these tools from this guy right here.
What about that other one?
Oh, we didn't use him.
Why? He could be useful.
Alright, let's go.
Wait up.
And we got some bananas here to eat. Num num num.
I'm fine.
Seems like he died.
He stepped on one of those things.